In the dense jungles of Southeast Asia, an exquisite feline known as the marbled cat roams gracefully. This rare cat is named for its mesmerizing coat, exhibiting a swirling pattern that resembles marble stone. Its size mirrors that of a domestic cat, yet its agile limbs and long tail reveal its life adapted to arboreal habitats. The marbled cat's genetic makeup contributes to this unique fur pattern, a rare blend of spots, lines, and streaks, giving insight into natural artistry beyond human design. This elusive feline, though captivating in appearance, is on the near-threatened list due to habitat loss, prompting conservation efforts to preserve its natural beauty and the intricate ecosystem it calls home.